Hi guys, in this session I'm going to explain more about while loop and within this detailed examples I will explain about break and continue. You already know what is break, what is continue in for loop. The same thing will applicable to while loop also. This will works like a for loop. Here I want to explain you one major crucial point. In a while loop, if we check for a condition, there must be a condition that to exit somewhere. There must be a condition to be false for to come out of the loop. If there is no such thing in a while loop, it it will continue like a endless loop. I will try to explain you. If you does not increment I value, what happens? Check it out. It is the endless loop. So I have to break this. Okay. It is the error I'm getting. It's a runtime error. You have to understand that while you are writing a while loop, you have to be careful. While loop should be terminated at some point. You may not be aware of where to, how many iterations it is to perform. Even then, condition is to be met for false. Okay, I hope you understood. I will continue with some if condition. I want to change I value is less than 5 as a condition, not 10. So print I. Okay, error disappeared. Okay, I did some logical mistake. So I want to break here. Break. So it is to execute. Okay, here what is happening is at the condition in a if loop, that is I equal to 3, when loop is iterating from 0 to 5, it reaches to 3 in some iterations. Whenever if it is 3, I equal to 3, then it is to break and break out of the loop. It will continue with the uh, execution after the while loop. Even it is break for only while loop or only for loop. It will exit from the loop only, but it will continue with the sequential execution after a while loop. So I want to make utilize continue. Here only 3 will skip that. Something missed. Wait. Okay. Logical bug. So I I'm able to figure it out what is happening. If I equal to 3, it is to increment and it is to uh, s- continue, means that skip the remaining statements, and it is to iterate over the value. It will continue with the next loop. I hope this will work. Yes, it is working. 3 only skipped. So in this example, I shown you what happens if there is no condition becomes a false. It will endless loop. So first point and second point is the break. Third point is continue. So here you have to understand I equal to I plus 1 is the statement must be written for 2 times. Why? Because continue skips the remaining statements and it will continue with the next loop. But if it is continuous with the next loop without I is incremented, it will not perform anything. I hope you understood. See you in the next session.